So my client called me. She like, hey, do you know how to fix shower valves? I'm like, yeah. She like, oh, my shower valve is not working. Okay, so what's up? Oh, can you come do it today, like now? Because I can't take a shower. So you know me. Huh. I'm like, how much you paying? Like, what's up? Like, I charge $1,000 to do that. What's up? She like, oh, 1,000? The other plumber said 2,500. I'm like, nah, shorty. Give me $1,000. I do it. Anyways, I need money motivation. So once she agreed to 1,000, I went out there, changed the shower valve for her real quick. I need money motivation, man. If it ain't about the money, I ain't motivated to do nothing. Because if she would have told me she needed this repair done and been talking 600, 500, I'd have been like, nah, miss. I don't come out the crib for less than 1,000. If you pay under 1,000, I'm staying in the crib. You got me fucked up. Anyways, this is only part one too, because it's my first YouTube video. I'm just getting used to it, recording, critiquing myself, watching what I'm doing. You feel me? Trying to get this YouTube money real quick. Like I said, I've been procrastinating for a long time. So I gotta get acclimated and get this YouTube money. So I was watching a couple videos and I've been seeing a couple statements from YouTube, couple deposit statements from YouTube. Shout out my homie Ina. You feel me? She showed me her little YouTube statement. I was like, what, you picking that off YouTube? Nah, I gotta get on YouTube. Let me get on YouTube right now. Because I got content for days. But anyways, I got hype. I gotta relax. So anyways, I'm repairing I'm repairing the shower valve right now. I'm cutting the towel out so I could get to the shower valve of matter of factly. So I get on my professional. Let me get on my professional thing. So right now I'm using my hand grinder to remove the tile so I could get to the shower valve. That's the problem right here in this video. It's the shower valve. The shower valve is faulty. It is not operable anymore. So I'm gonna have to cut the tile out to get to the shower valve, to change the shower valve, to put the new shower valve. You feel me? So that's where we at with this one. Please, my people, wear your protective gear, gloves, face mask, earplugs, safety glasses. I'm minus the safety glasses and earplugs, but you should be wearing it. And if you haven't noted, if you haven't known this, you can breathe through your ears. So the earplugs are to stop the airflow in your ears. Don't ask me how I know that, but I know you can breathe through your ears. So all this dust flying around, I'm still breathing it in with the face mask on. That's why you should wear earplugs and safety goggles. Safety goggles. Protect your eyes. Protect your eyes, my people. You only have two and you don't get them back. You're going to be out here looking like somebody you don't want to look like with a missing eye. Fucking around. So anyways, yeah, man, I'm feeling good right now, man. I'm trying to get to this YouTube money. I don't know what I'm doing. If you're looking for a step-by-step tutorial, you're not going to get it from here. But you could watch me do what I do best. You feel me? Watch me what I do best. Good work. You get bad work out of me when the money is funny. When the money is funny, you're going to get the landlord special. But when you're paying, money motivation. When the money look good, money motivation. You paying how you weighing? I'm a jump through hoops and bounds. When you say, if you tell me to jump, I'm gonna say how high. When that money is weighing, but if that money ain't weighing, you gonna get you straightforward work. I'm not doing nothing extra. If you want extra out of me, you're gonna pay. If you ain't paying, it gets nothing. Get up out of here. This client clearly was paying how she weighed because I took no shortcuts. I was here for like 4 to 5 hours, making sure I cut the tile properly so the new trim kit could fit around the space. So we don't have a problem of retiling or having a gash mark on the tile from the soil, doing good work. You know why? Money motivation. I was motivated to work and to work properly. You feel me? Look, I even cleared out the shower, all the soap, loofahs and everything, shampoo bottles. She had about 100 shampoo bottles, soap bars everywhere. I got all that out the bathroom. Hey, excuse me, miss, can you pass me a garbage bag so I could put all your toiletries in there so they'll be protected and dust free? Yeah, I gave a real customer service. Check out the hair. You know this was a couple of years ago because still had the waves in there before the sunroof got missing on me. But it's all good. It's all good. I'm gonna go to Turkey after these YouTube checks start coming in. I'm going to Turkey. I'm gonna be filming me in Turkey, showing y'all the process, getting my rooftop back. You feel me? But the roof is heavy on missing right now. I'm going through a midlife crisis. I do want my hair back. I don't know why. I just want my hair back. And as I look at my son on a daily basis and he got all his hair on his head, I think I got beef with him at this point. Because I wish I had some hair. Because I be looking at him. I grab the Afro pick just to pick his hair out. And I do it rough. Because I'm mad he got all that hair and my shit is missing on the top. Do not call ACS on me. I was just joking. But I am jealous that Noah got hair and I don't at this point. But anyways, you'll meet them later on. Probably videos down the line, you'll meet him. But right now, we here with step one. I'm almost done cutting this tile out. I'm down to the part where the cement board is, and I do grab my oscillating tool, aka multi-tool, aka the best tool you could have. A necessity. You need this oscillating tool, aka the multi-tool. Only by Milwaukee. Milwaukee, get to me. Get to me. I need that sponsorship immediately because we're about to run it up. We're about to run it up. And like I said, if you came here to learn something, you're on the wrong channel. Just watch me do what I do. Use context clues and visual to see if you could duplicate what I'm doing. But I'm not teaching y'all nothing. This ain't Lincoln Tech, or DeVry. Go to a trade school and figure it out. You could see if your contractor is doing the right things. This is what these videos are for. See if your contractor is doing the right things. If he's doing what I'm doing, he's doing the right thing. If not, call me, email me. I'll give you a consultation. But like I said, money motivation. Those phone calls is $200 a pop. Zelle, Apple Pay, Cash App. I don't accept checks or money orders. Sorry. So, yeah. If you want a consultation, you got to pay for that too. And if you try to learn how to do this, you got to get next to me. I'll set you up with some classes, one-on-one. I'll teach you everything you need to know. But yeah, because I was sitting here for like 5 minutes trying to figure out how was I going to narrate these videos. How I was going to narrate it. You know how I'm going to narrate it? The way I want to. And I ain't no teacher. And y'all not paying until YouTube start cutting these checks. Then I might start teaching y'all something. But other than that, I'm not teaching y'all anything. You know what another thing is? I'm going to be myself. I don't care about what you commenters say. Y'all say what y'all want, but I'm going to be myself. I'm a very likable person. And I think I'm funny. So if you don't like it, you know what to do. I ain't even going to curse, but F off. Blow off, jerk off. There you go. So here I go with the screwdriver just to pluck that piece of tile out. Finally got it loose. I was trying to take this tile out in one piece, but didn't work out that way. You know, shit happens. But anyways, this piece of tile is almost out. This is part one. I'm going to be making about 10 videos off this one job. Yeah, 10 videos off this one job. I'm not into the long 30-minute videos. I'm going to give y'all 5-10 minutes at a time, a little narrating, couple of jokes. I might be on here venting a lot of the times. But just know, we here, and this is what we doing. My first video for YouTube. Like, subscribe, comment. Get me to the big bucks. Get me to the mainstream. Get me to the big time. Get me to the big leagues. You feel me? We could do it together. Don't worry about it. But just know, this is the first one. It's going to be a little rough, but I'll get better as time passes. Alright, so now you see I finally got that cutout piece out. I'm breaking it out little by little. So now it's gone. So now I can move on to step 2. And that is removing that shower valve, that whole centerpiece right there. I sweated it out. I didn't really cut it out. I just sweated that piece out. But here I'm doing my little inspection, seeing what I'm going to do. And that's it. See you on the next one.